All right, guys, the whole crypto market is red again. We've been trading sideways. One day we're up 10%, the next day we're down 10%. It just continues to repeat because we are trading in this very tight pattern, guys. This is the whole crypto market here. Look at how respectful we are paying this whole exact pattern. Top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. But now we are approaching the apex, which means something huge is about to happen. And the next day, the next couple of days at most, something massive is going to happen. In this video, I'm going to be telling you exactly why the crypto market is red today and where we are headed. Are we entering into a bear market? What the heck is happening? Guys, make sure you stay tuned for this whole video. You cannot miss anything that I have in store for you today. What's up, Miles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos. Also, if you love cryptocurrencies, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us support the channel. I make these videos for free, and I really appreciate the support. But let me know in the comments below, are you buying these dips? Also, if you want to get access to the most profitable trading community for cryptocurrencies, join my Patreon right now, where you get my trade alerts when I'm buying and selling cryptocurrencies. You also get my hidden updates before I release my videos. I let you guys know what is exactly happening. Why are we bearish? Why are we red today? All of this information I'm letting you know. You can even message me every single day, ask me questions, even talk to me on the phone where we can go over your current portfolio, move some things around, and I can tell you about the best cryptocurrencies out right now. Also, do not forget to get your 5 free stocks from WEBULL worth up to $8,000. All you have to do is go on my link in my video description, WEBULL, create an account, deposit 1 penny. They will send you those free stocks that you can immediately sell and buy cryptos with. So let's go ahead and dive straight into this content. So as we are seeing again, the whole cryptocurrency market continues to go lower and lower and lower. This is actually crazy. Look at this. The global crypto market is down 6%. That's actually a very significant drop for the whole crypto market to be down 6%. So now we are approaching a $2 trillion market cap total. We were literally $3 trillion just about a month ago. So we are seeing Ethereum down 8%, Bitcoin down 5%. Look at Avalanche is actually green. Avalanche is actually green. We were even able to buy a buy alert for Avalanche just a couple of days ago. So we are making profits on our position even when things are bearish. But pretty much every single cryptocurrency except for Avalanche, as we can see, is red. Now, the reason for this is happening because there is still a lot of fear in the market because of inflation. All of this stuff is still in the air. We also have the sickness going around, and there's a lot of fear on the media with that. So a lot of that fear is being instilled into investors all around the world, and that's why we are seeing cryptocurrencies trade sideways. Not only that, today is Friday, and a lot of the major markets, like the stock markets on Fridays, are generally low volume days. So here we have fear with low volume. That brings prices down. Now, the stock market is also red today. Not the crypto market only. The stock market is red today. It is heading down as well. Hopefully, we can start to see some green in the overall markets here very, very soon. Hopefully next week we can see some green where we can actually start to recover. But until then, we are trading sideways. Things really are not moving much at all. Now, the thing about inflation is very good for assets like cryptocurrencies. They're very good, especially in the long term, but at least in the immediate short term, because it causes so much fear in the stock market and in markets all around the world, it negatively affects the price of cryptocurrencies. So we just need to be aware of that, but we do need to know that cryptocurrencies are the answer. They are the answer to inflation. So just keep that in mind. For the short term, yes, it's not going to be the most pretty thing for cryptocurrencies, your cryptocurrencies, no. But inflation is actually good in the long term for cryptocurrencies because inflation brings up the value of assets, and at the same time, it gives people a reason to invest in cryptocurrencies because cryptocurrencies are truly a hedge against inflation. So there's a lot of benefits for cryptocurrencies concerning inflation. Now, here it is, exactly 3 years ago. Bitcoin, the whole crypto market bottomed at $3,000. Bitcoin was at $3,000 just 3 years ago. This is a very interesting thing. This exact day was a bearish day for cryptocurrencies 3 years ago, But it was also, even though it was bearish, it was actually the bottom. It was the bottom of the crypto market. So hopefully here very soon, which is very likely as we have been talking about the last couple of weeks, hopefully we're getting very, very close to a crypto bottom. I personally think that we are getting very close. The worst possible scenario is, yes, we could drop another 10%, another 15%, have another correction, bringing up the whole crypto market, all of our cryptocurrencies down a little bit more, and then that could be the bottom. But what I am speculating based on all of the information that I'm showing you in these videos and inside information that I have, on-chain data analysis for cryptocurrencies, not only me, a lot of other people in the space of cryptocurrencies, analysts, and so forth, we believe that we are nearing a bottom because fear and FUD can only go so far. It can only be so much, just like bullishness. Pumps and prices of cryptocurrencies can only go so high for so long. They have to come down. Just like when things pump up a lot and really fast, they come down just as fast. So also when things come down a lot for too long, they bounce up just as fast. So we are nearing the bottom of the crypto market. Let me know if you agree with that. And if you do, give this video a thumbs up. So let me show you this. So this is Tech Dev. We show you him all the time. And he says, despite multiple swings in sentiment over the last couple of weeks, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are in the same macro position. This actually means that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are still on track. The bull cycle is still on track. And these previous cycle tops, as we have been seeing from 2013, 2017, and 2018, we are seeing the exact same things, these same exact corrections. We are still on track to still hit great numbers for cryptocurrencies. So right now, things are bearish. Yes, things seem like the end of the world, that they're not going to recover, that they're not going to be looking good. But here we have it. Every single time we get to this exact level for cryptocurrencies with concerning fear and people are panicking, thinking it's going to go drop and further, it's over with and it's done with. Every single time, soon after that, the cryptocurrencies recover very fast and they break all-time highs. It happens over and over and over again. We have been seeing it many, many times this year. So we do not want to be giving up. We do not want to be panic selling. We need to be aware of all things, for sure. We need to be aware of bearish scenarios, bullish scenarios. But if we zoom out like we are seeing, guys, we are still on track. Everything is still healthy. We are still in a very, very good position for the long term. We might not be in the best position the next couple of hours, maybe the next week. But what is a week compared to years and all the time that we're going to be investing into these cryptocurrencies? If we're so focused on what's happening this second, the present moment, what's happening tomorrow, the next day after, we're going to lose the sight of our prize. We're going to lose the big opportunities that take months and even years to bring us financial freedom through investing in cryptocurrencies. But remember, none of this is financial advice. It's just all my own opinion. So let's go ahead and get back into some technical analysis. So what we are seeing, guys, the broader markets, this is the S&P 500. This is a 4-hour time frame. Yes, we are seeing a correction, guys. The last couple of days, a correction. Also, the NASDAQ. The whole crypto market, the stock market, we are seeing a correction. A correction is a period when cryptocurrencies or whatever it is you're investing into goes down, and it stays down for a month and it continues to go down for a month, maybe a couple of months, for a short period of time before bouncing up. That's what a correction is, and corrections happen after major pumps. Just remember, Bitcoin was literally $70,000 almost a month ago. Just about a month ago, Ethereum was just at all-time highs, literally last month, literally just a month ago. A month ago, we were at all-time highs. So it's not the end of the world. Literally, look at this. November 10th, Bitcoin hit $69,000. Ethereum was literally just at all-time highs. A lot of the cryptocurrencies that we hold and are buying in the Patreon, a month ago, just weeks ago, last month, we were very, very bullish. So do not forget all the pumps that we've just had. Do not forget all the green that we just experienced. But getting into some technical analysis, I'm showing you the whole crypto market. And we are trading into this descending wedge, this falling wedge right here, guys. And this can actually be a bullish thing. So we are now soon approaching the apex, especially if you want to zoom in and take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is a very good indicator of the whole crypto market and where we are headed. And we are nearly approaching the apex here, guys. In the next couple of days, guys, even in the next couple of hours, something big is going to happen, because when the price gets squeezed by the traders into a very tight area, something big is going to happen. Something big is going to get. If we start to break up and confirm with volume, guys, we are going to get a massive breakout. But to be realistic, if we start to come down and test this support level and break down even further, we could certainly see a bigger correction to the downside, a correction potentially. For example's sake, that would bring Ethereum all the way to about $3,000. So a 15% correction is in the cards. A 10% correction is in the cards. And if that were to happen, it would be very likely that we would actually find support and then come down here and then bounce up and then start to recover. That could be a very likely scenario. As we know, cryptocurrencies always recover. At least the good projects that we are invested into, they always recover. So I'm just going to show you those cryptocurrencies on the chart, because if we pay attention to what's happening to Bitcoin and Ethereum, we can understand very, very clearly, as most cryptocurrencies are moving the same, what's going to happen for Dogecoin, what's going to happen for Shiba Inu, and so forth. So we're paying attention to those cryptocurrencies right now to see what's happening. And right now we are seeing red. We are seeing red, but we always know that after red, there is always green. So the red can't last forever. The red is not going to be every single day. Eventually there's going to be more green than red, as there usually is, because we always end up higher and higher and higher through time. So if you got something out of this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share this video with some of your friends and family. I would really appreciate it. Blow up the comment section, join the Patreon, get your free stocks from WEBULL, follow all of my socials, and I will see you all later.